Recently, a new image generator called Zimage was released, and right now, it's easily the best open-source image generation model available. In this one, we're going beyond the basics. Most people think Zimage is only about typing a text prompt and generating images, but in reality, Zimage can do much more. You can control composition using reference images, control character poses, edit existing photos, and even generate images in 4K or higher resolution with incredible detail. In this video, I'll walk you through all these advanced features, step by step, and I'll keep everything as simple and easy to follow as possible. Control the overall composition, preserve scene, layout control, character position, and structure. There is already a working ControlNet for Zimage, and it comes with an official workflow that you can load directly into ComfUI. Once the workflow is loaded, the process is very simple. You upload a reference image. This could be a room, a landscape, or a person. Image then goes through a detector, such as an edge detector, which extracts the structure of the image. You then write a normal text prompt describing what you want to generate, and Zimage combines the structure from the reference image, the style and content from your prompt. For example, you can take a normal bedroom photo and turn it into a cozy, cinematic bedroom at night with Christmas lights while keeping the same layout. What's impressive is how fast this runs. Even with high-quality settings, Zimage can generate results in under 10 seconds on a modern GPU, controlling character pose with openpose. Now let's take it one step further. Instead of controlling composition with edges, you can control character pose using a pose detector. This is done using openpose, which extracts body pose, hand position, face orientation. You upload an image of a person doing a pose, and Zimage extracts the skeleton information. Then you write a new prompt, for example, greater than an evil sorceress wearing a black robe in a dark forest. Zimage keeps the exact pose from the reference image while generating a completely new character and environment. You can also control how strong the pose influence is. At higher values, the pose is copied very strictly. At lower values, Zimage keeps the pose loosely while allowing more creativity. This feature is extremely useful for character design, animation, references, concept, art. Depth-based control for better scene structure. Another powerful option is depth control. Zimage can extract a depth map from a reference image, which tells the model what objects are close, what objects are far away, how the scene is layered. This is especially useful for complex scenes. For example, you can take a normal photo and turn it into a cosplay photo, a cinematic portrait, a stylized environment while keeping the same depth and spatial layout. Zimage uses this depth information to rebuild the scene with a new style while maintaining realistic perspective and separation between foreground and background. Editing images using in painting workaround. Right now, Zimage does not have its official image editing model yet. However, you can still edit existing images using a simple workaround. The idea is very straightforward. You load an image, then draw a mask over the area you want to change. After that, you write a prompt describing what should appear in that area. For example, place a notebook with a sleeping cat. Replace an object with a vase of flowers by adjusting the denoise strength. You control how much the original image is preserved. Higher values replace the area completely. Lower values blend the new content with the original image. This method is not as clean as dedicated editors like Nano Banana or Future's Image Edit, but it works well for quick edits and experiments. Generating 4K and ultra-high resolution images. Now let's talk about higher resolution output, which is one of Zimage's biggest strengths. There are two main ways to generate 4K or higher images. Method 1. Multipass generation. In this method, you generate an image at a lower resolution first, then pass that image back into Zimage. Generate again at a higher resolution. Each pass adds more detail while keeping the image consistent. This method does not require downloading any additional models and works surprisingly well. Method 2. Dedicated upscaling workflow. The second method uses a dedicated upscaler model. Requires downloading a large model, but the results are much better. This method adds fine details, improves textures, produces sharp 4K or even 8K images. This is the best option if you want maximum image quality. Final thoughts. Zimage is currently the best open source image generator. Extremely fast, highly flexible, capable of composition control, pose control, editing, and 4K output. If you want full control over image generation without relying on closed source tools, Zimage is absolutely worth learning. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.